Source our materials through your regular suppliers of materials, like pretty straight up. I don't go to Craigslist to buy used material. I need the right stuff, I need it clean, I need it perfect. And as far as the recycle aspect, we work in a lot of materials, but the main material here is metal. And so the steel, whatever is left, that gets recycled. The aluminum also gets recycled, but 99% of the aluminum, and I'd even say maybe stainless steel, we have little cubbies in storage for things. Something comes in as 20 feet, we make a bunch of things out of it. If we have a 6-inch piece, often that's just kept. And that's kept for two reasons. One, it's more efficient than just recycling it. And two, if I have to go out and buy a 6-inch piece of material, the time it takes me to procure that 6-inch piece of material and the money it takes, it's much better to be able to pull it off the shelf. And for what we do, we can turn, depending what we're doing, if we're machining a 6-inch piece of material, that may be 4 days worth of work on that little tiny thing. So it's kind of all important to us. So notwithstanding the environmental side that we're quite conscious of, it's really about convenience to ourselves and not having to constantly go and resupply. So we use things down to the very, very end. The equipment is a combination of brand new and used. The used market in a place like Vancouver is not very good. We've never been a manufacturing hub. Most of the manufacturing in Vancouver left a long time ago and was using antiquated equipment. We rely on mostly new, but yeah, Craigslist and Facebook and wherever you can kind of find it. One of the barriers is if people are only looking to make their things out of used and recycled goods. It's entirely possible, but it's quite difficult. And it's often not actually cost effective. And I sometimes wonder, well, is there better approaches to it, whether that material gets then recycled to be turned into new material. Recycling of steel works really well. It's super power intensive to melt steel down. But it's way less than mining rocks and grinding up the rocks and heating them up and producing it. So that's something that's been done forever. And that's not really out of a social conscious, that's out of a cost-effective thing. And the end result of a recycled piece of steel is every bit as good as a new piece of steel. It's the same.